Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Valhalla game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing or black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, first go to Steam, under store, here you have to search for the game. After that, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs and then try to launch the game and check. If not, then the next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system and Steam. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the error still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After updating, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Now you have to wait for some time. After the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security, click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. And now here you have to select the game. Also check if it's listed or not. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked. Click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application. Now after selecting the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and then launch the game. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to close unnecessary background task. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager, now under processes tab you are suggested to check which apps are consuming high resources or running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for check for updates. Now click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is there. Now if there is any update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next is to disable peripherals. So you are suggested to remove devices like wireless keyboards or special gaming mice that can send interfering signals to the game's input system. These signals could confuse the game or overload certain system functions. So if you are using any peripherals like a wheeler, controller or other USB devices or even the second monitor, simply unplug them and then try to launch the game and check. Next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on the repair and you have to wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this and now restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now after disabling it, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. Then select in custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Now try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to perform a clean boot. For that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig, press enter. It will open system configuration page. Click on services, click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, go to startup tab, click on open task manager. Now from here also you have to select the application and then click on disable. After this, go back, click on OK and after that restart your PC once and then launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. Then go to the game folder where it is installed, select the application. Now after selecting the application, click on the Windows icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to install DirectX on your PC. So I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for DirectX on your Google. Now once the website opens, click on download. So this will download the DirectX on your system. You have to open it and then install it. Now after you install it, now try to play the game and check if it is working now. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Assassin's Creed Valhalla game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and again reinstall Assassin's Creed Valhalla game, and after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Assassin's Creed Valhalla game crashing or crashing at startup, lagging, freezing or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.